That would be the last time OU's Cameron Clark would hear his name announced in the Sooners starting lineup in Norman. Clark, along with Tyler Neal, were the two seniors for this year's team. While Neal didn't have his best outing Wednesday, Clark almost immediately set the tone.
My teammates and coaches telling me to go out there, just be aggressive. That's what I did. I'm just glad I played well, in my last home game.
Although Clark was hitting some early shots and rebounding well, it wasn't exactly rubbing off on his teammates. For a team that lives and dies on three-point shooting, the Sooners appeared to be on life support. Until Buddy Hield finally able to score after missing his first 6 shots.
My coaches, the coaching staff and the players know once they see one go in, they got to come back, or I'm going to shoot the next one regardless if I got an open look or whether it's a tough shot, I'm going to try to make the next one no matter what.
After trailing by 3 close to midway through the second half, OU able to find their scoring and never look back, winning 72-62.
Great to see Cam finish like he did. What a great career, and to have him have a double-double in the last home game and make big shots when we needed them very badly, and another tough one on Saturday.
The Oklahoma Sooners close out the regular season Saturday in Fort Worth against TCU. And with the win, OU is guaranteed the 2nd seed for the Big 12 tournament. And while we don't want to call the Horned Frogs a pushover, TCU has yet to win a conference game this season. For now, reporting inside the Lloyd Noble Center, I'm John Laws for Tulsa's Channel 8 Sports.